Hold on and pay attention, because this is a New York Minute with Miss Me with that BS. You are now about to watch an extended episode of a New York Minute. Peace, what's up? This is Miss Me with that BS coming to you with another New York Minute. So I know I've been going for a minute. I've been going. But I got some good shit going on. Some good shit. But I just came over here real quick. Not going to take up too much of your time, as I normally say. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm low-key trying to figure out what is Puffy really on trial for. From what I heard, it just seemed like it was some over the age of 18 activities going on. And this ain't no disrespect to Cassie. I'm just low-key confused. I really am. From what's being read, what she has told, it sounds like it was a toxic relationship. That's really what it sounds like. Just two people that after a while shouldn't have even been together. That's all I'm gathering. A lot of jealousy. Now, we all know that Puffy was dipping his stick somewhere else besides with Cassie. And I don't know. It's a lot of people being mentioned in this. Michael B. Jordan, Common, you know what I'm saying? Chris Brown. Like, we don't know what that woman was doing. And it was her business. I just need to know what not what we've been, reading or hearing this it's about to be a year, correct? I need to know some fresh information. What is this man on trial for? Because I just hear a effed up relationship. That's what I hear. He wrong for the physical abuse, yes. Sexual abuse, yes. But it's not being presented as such. I don't know, what to say really about that. Then you see the family coming out, the mother walking in and out of the court, the kids. Even my girl Misa was there. Looked like Misa was walking with a walker. Am I correct, people? Is she walking with an assisted aid for walking? I need to know what's going on, Misa. Holla at your girl. But I don't understand. I need some more clarity, please. Just a little bit, not too much. I just need to know what homeboy is on trial for. This seemed like personal shit. For real. Personal shit. I see how the people, y'all know how New York do. The fans came out, show their ass. They show their ass a little 1-2-1-2. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's a circus. It's really a circus. And the fact that it's a circus, if since, they laying out it is a crime, I honestly don't feel like Puffy is going to get justice. And when I say justice, I don't mean justice on his side. Just period. This is a circus, a media circus. You see how we can't live stream in the court, but we hearing everything that's going on. Verbatim from some of these channels. Word. So I just need to know what's up. I sorry it happened. I see Cassie, is with child. This is very stressful. See your husband out there supporting. Come on. These text messages and y'all wanna. So I'm thinking the media had put the term freak off out there. They was really using the word freak offs. Like, Y'all, I'm sorry. That was a relationship. A volatile relationship, but a relationship nevertheless. Everything was good just a week ago. I'm just using that as a metaphor. Everything was all good just a week ago. Again, not victim shaming. But you waited mad long, Cassie, to come out. And you got a big payoff. And now you testifying against the man. Pretty sure it was some papers that she needed to sign to get that bread. I really feel that. And he can't do nothing about it because he fighting for his life right now. So you got the bread and now you tell him. Or told. That's just, I'm looking at it on the public side. Now legally, hey, it's presented. Burden of truth is on the defense. Hey, let the cards fall where they may, but it has nothing to do with Puffy being Puffy or him having a lot of fans or this, that, and the other. He's still a human being, and you do him fairly. Do Cassie fairly. And if everything work in her favor, then so be it. But this a circus. But let's talk about my boy Quincy. Okay, fine. We know that Puffy helped raise you, Quincy. Got that. Since a little boy. Because your mother got with him when you was a baby. Baby. Now we all know that this is Al B. Shore, son. Al B. Shore is on a crusade to get Puff some serious time. And your son is at the trial supporting. Got to be more careful. I'm not understanding. I honestly feel Quincy could support Puffy, but damn, don't seem like, you know what I'm saying, your father trying to get him locked up. You might have stayed at the house and watched it or something, or, let your sisters and your brothers tell you what happened. But that's a bad look, my guy. I'm sorry. That's a bad look. Al B said Puffy tried to do him in. Tried to take him off this earth. But you over there supporting. Or are you supporting because your brothers and sisters are going and you're supporting them? Like, Quincy, I need you to tell us what's really going on. For real. Tell us what's really going on with that. Because that don't look good. I'll be sure on social media talking about Quincy, you can always come home. Nah, something ain't right. But I just wanted to drop this really quick. Like I said, not too much. You're not going to take up much of your time because I got to make a move. But I'm going to be watching this. Puff, hold your head up, Puff. Because it ain't looking too good for you, my guy, though. Nevertheless, it's not looking too good. It's really, really not looking too good. Now, let me touch on the daughters quickly. They haven't been back in the courtroom. I don't know if it's discussed from, they're disgusted with what they heard. Or, that could have, because these are female children. So this, they can feel any kind of way about this. And then now, Mama Combs ain't, what's up? Is Puffy losing the support of his family? Ooh, this is a bit much. But I'm gonna keep looking. I'm gonna try to come back on here when I can and say my little 1-2 about it. I do apologize. I don't have the time right now, this moment, to do videos in length. But I'm watching. Y'all know that's New York shit, so I'm definitely in the loop. But I'm just kind of, I don't know what to make of this. And again, as I said, it's not looking too good, Puff. This is a mess. A whole, you got a little Rod there, because he need his bread. He was violated. He gonna, do his thing. Dawn Richards, she said her little, Puff, I don't know, man. I don't know. As I said before, and I've been saying for a long time, since probably my first video, y'all must not like fresh air and applying for 3 hots in a cot. I'm telling you, it's just some things that y'all can't do or let people into your own little freakish world, because everybody ain't as freaky as you. When you have, and it doesn't even matter your tax bracket, but if you like fresh air and don't want 3 hots in a cot, you might have to move in silence, move by yourself or something like that. You can't have this group thing going on. You can't do it. And Puffy just got a little greedy and a little cocky. And I'm gonna just tell y'all, he a Scorpio like me, so I actually get it. Like, Puffy for decades thought he was on top of the world. And when you start feeling like that, you get sloppy. Sloppy. And this is why we are where we are today. I don't know if he didn't give enough money to keep some mouths closed, or he just was dealing with the wrong individuals. Now, the thing is, all these people are getting mentioned in this testimony. I wonder if any of them are going to get subpoenaed. That is going to be the interesting part. Y'all throwing names around. You're throwing names around. And somebody going to want to hear what they got to say about. So I'm pretty sure at least 1 or 2 people going to be subpoenaed. Or have been already. And we just waiting for it. But like I said, not going to take up too much of your time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Definitely share. Peace.